is Sid.
Shh.
What is it?
I don't know. Look.
Oh. She looks friendly. Let's go say hello. Hi, I'm Davy, and this is Sid.
Hi, I'm Lulu.
What are you?
I'm a dog.
Oh, wow! Nice to meet you, Lulu the dog.
You look a little like our friend Xena. She's a jaguar.
Does she live in a house?
No, she lives in the jungle, like us.
Oh, I went out for a walk and now I'm lost. Hi, what's up?
There you are. This is Lulu. She's lost.
Oh no. But I think I know where you live. Let's go. There's my home. Thank you.
You're welcome.